Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful and simple pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies cardigans, jeans sweaters, baby frocks, blankets, shawls, caps. This pattern is very stretchy and elastic. From front side our pattern will look like this, and from wrong side our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 10 stitches and plus 5 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the edge. So friends, let us start knitting our pattern now. This is only 4 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 17 stitches. This is our first row from right side, slip edge stitch, and then repeat pattern, knit 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and now purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is our first repeat pattern, edge stitch, and then knit 5 stitches and purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5. Now remaining 6 stitches, knit 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and purl last edge stitch. This is our first row. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side, slip edge stitch, and then repeat pattern, purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now knit next 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is our first repeat pattern. Now remaining 6 stitches, purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and purl last edge stitch. This is how we knitted our second row. Now third row from front side, slip edge stitch, and then purl 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4. Now repeat pattern, knit 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and after that purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is our first repeat pattern of 10 stitches. Now remaining 2 stitches on left needle, out of that knit first stitch and then purl last edge stitch. This is our third row. Now last row, fourth row, from wrong side slip edge stitch and then purl 1 stitch. After that repeat pattern, knit 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now purl next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is our first repeat pattern of 10 stitches, edge stitch and then purl 1 stitch. After that repeat pattern, 5 knit stitches and 5 purl stitches. Now remaining 5 stitches, out of that knit 4 stitches and purl last edge stitch. This is our last row of the pattern, fourth row of the pattern. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends, bye bye, see you.